Napoleon introduces the Oakville series of gas inserts, designed with modern gas controls and thousands of design combinations, accompanied by an innovative burner that fills the firebox with luminous orange flames. 4 models available. Choose between the log or glass fireboxes and optional panels to further customize the look. Aesthetically pleasing with a clean face design, these gas inserts are quickly becoming favored in the industry, with flush finishes and premium accessories, including faceplates available in a variety of colors and sizes. The Oakville gas inserts are perfect for any existing masonry fireplace. Install one of these inserts to boost heat throughout your home with Napoleon's directional baffles that increase airflow for maximum blower efficiency. Limitless possibilities for absolute creative freedom. A line of fireplaces set to inspire your next memorable moment.